Lidl have just dropped their official World Cup 2026 collection. There's England merchandise, Scottish merchandise, an absolutely ginormous inflatable cinema screen. The Stanley dupes are finally in store, and there are some really good home and garden finds this week. So I'm going to whiz you round and share everything that's new, what caught my eye, and the things I think are actually worth buying this week. The World Cup has begun and Lidl have not missed the opportunity. This week they've launched their official World Cup 2026 collection, and I raced straight there to try and get one of the Three Lions England team flags for my flagpole because I've been trying to find one for ages. But first I spotted their official World Cup footballs. They had two different designs available in white and blue or white, blue and orange. I'm not entirely sure what the difference is, but I wanted one. So now we're all set for a bit of a kickabout before the matches start. They also had this World Cup ball for $3.99. It was more of a beach ball than a football, if I'm honest, but it had various countries printed on it and would be good fun for the garden. Clothing wise, they had these ladies' England t-shirts for $3.99. They had the England flag across the front and England printed on the back. They were made from recycled polyester, and for $3.99 I thought that was good value. They also had men's versions as well for $3.99 in medium to extra large. Again, they are made from recycled polyester. And for the kids, they had a full football kit with matching shorts for $4.99. They were available in ages 2 to 12, though there weren't many left in my store. So if you're hoping to pick one up, you might want to get down there sooner rather than later. They also had these Funko Pop figures for $11.99. If you've never seen them before, they are collectible vinyl figures and they've released a whole England team collection for the World Cup. There's Jude Bellingham, Saka, Declan Rice, Harry Kane and several others. They're usually around £13 to £15 mark, so $11.99 is actually really good. For $5.99 they also had a football goal. Now, I'm not going to lie, when I saw the packaging, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But when I got it home and built it, stood back and actually burst out laughing. It's actually more of a toddler-sized football goal than a full-size one. But to be fair, what do you expect for $5.99? It comes with a peg to secure it to the ground and it's perfect for a kickabout in the garden this summer. And speaking of things I bought, I finally found the flag I've been looking for. This is the official Three Lions England team flag. It's absolutely perfect for my flagpole. It's incredibly windy today, so please ignore the creases, but it's now up and ready for the start of the World Cup. They also had the England gym sack for $3.99. This is actually really nice quality and will make a great PE bag for school. There was also an official England boot bag for $7.99, which I prefer for keeping muddy football boots away from the rest of your stuff. And they had a pack of 2 England football socks for just $2.99. An official England cap was $7.99 and an official reversible England bucket hat was $7.99. I actually quite like the design of this one. And then they had an LED hover soccer ball for $4.49. I'm not entirely sure how it works, but it lights up, glides across the hard floors, and looks like the sort of thing kids would have great fun with over the summer. There were loads of football themed items I saw, so if you're planning a World Cup party or just want to get into the spirit of things, there was plenty to choose from. There were actually quite a few items listed online that I couldn't find in my store. They had England party supplies, tablecloths, bunting, flags, bottle openers and even an inflatable hand. So if you're planning a World Cup party, there's quite a lot available. Unfortunately, a lot of those items hadn't made it to my store yet. They also had adult and children's clothing available, including hoodies and more t-shirts, but none of those had made it to my store either. So let me know in the comments, is your store better stocked than mine? And for those of you watching in Scotland, there's a very similar Scotland collection available too. I have to admit, I'm particularly jealous of the official Scotland FA flag. Being half Scottish, I would have been very tempted by one of those. I'm a little bit jealous of the official Scotland football as well, as the England collection did not include one. So if you're watching from Scotland, let me know what stock levels are like in your store, because I'd love to know if you managed to find some bits. Lidl this week had a 50-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart TV for £219, and I have to say that seemed like a really good price. They also had a 20-volt cooler box for $59.99, but what I thought was really clever is that it doesn't just cool, it also keeps things warm, and I've never seen anything like that before. Perfect for days out, camping or garden parties. Then I spotted the beer dispenser for $21.99. If you're having a World Cup party, this is probably going to be very popular. You simply pop your favourite can of beer into the top and it pours it like it's a draft pint. They've also had this Philips NeoPix 100 projector. I had a quick look on Amazon and it's currently selling for £99. Lidl had it for $69.99, and if you bought it with the giant 12-foot inflatable projector screen for $59.99, you got an extra 20% off the projector. So if you've been thinking about doing an outdoor cinema night this summer, this looked like a really good deal, but I don't think these are going to hang around for very long. Last time I was in Lidl, a lot of the stock hadn't arrived, so I was pleased to see some of the missing items had finally turned up. First was the milk frother for $17.99. I know these are always really popular and sell out fast. Then they had these Stanley-like tumblers for $3.99. They come in a few different colours, including yellow, black and cream, and they even come boxed. So when you compare that to the price of a genuine Stanley cup, $3.99 is a really affordable option. They then had these glass drinks dispensers for $6.99. They came with different coloured lids, including this lovely green one, and I have to say they felt really substantial and heavy. You've got proper glass dispenser with a tap and a nice vintage style detail on the front, and for $6.99 I thought they were really good. And then I spotted this cooler bag on wheels for $14.99. It comes with an extendable handle, so if you're off to a festival, a picnic or a day out, you don't have to carry everything on your shoulders. It's almost like a little suitcase for your food and drinks, and I thought that was a really clever idea, especially for the summer. They had quite a few laundry bits in this week, including this huge laundry basket for $4.99. I immediately bought one. This is me trying to work out how the handles work, but once I figured it out, I thought it was a really good size for the money, and for $4.99 I thought that was great value. I actually bought this to use in my business. I've got stock all over my house, so this will make it much easier to pick things up and move them around and pack orders. They also had this collapsible laundry basket back in stock for $8.99. I bought a couple of these last time they were in, and I really like them because I can hide them in the cupboard when I'm not using them. And one of my favourite finds were these collapsible buckets and bowls for $3.99. They're perfect for camping, caravanning, storage, or just having a spare one around the house. Lots of lovely practical bits this week. So that's everything I spotted in Lidl this week. Let me know in the comments, has your store got a good selection of the England merchandise? And if you're watching from Scotland, did you manage to find any of the Scottish bits? I'm very jealous of the official Scottish merchandise. But let me know what caught your eye this week. And of course, good luck to both England and Scotland in the World Cup. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one. One before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.